Family vacation? Sports trips? That quickly adds up to a lot of luggage. The large luggage compartment of your ID.7 can load a lot. And there's a wide range of practical transport accessories. If your ID.7 is equipped with a towing bracket, you can fit a bicycle carrier or trailer, for example. Use this button in the luggage compartment to release the towing bracket. Now swing it until it clicks into place. Whether you use a bicycle carrier or trailer, you need to establish a power connection and check it before traveling. Volkswagen bicycle carriers can even be folded down so that you can still access your luggage compartment, even if your bike is already attached to the bicycle carrier. Instead of your bikes, you can also attach a rear cargo box from Volkswagen to your bicycle carrier, which can also be folded down. Always observe the maximum drawbar load and trailer weight. Refer to the operating instructions and feel free to contact your Volkswagen partner for advice. The trailer support will help you to couple your trailer conveniently to your ID. When in reverse gear, you can switch it on and use the reversing camera to drive right up to your trailer. For a roof box, your ID.7 must have a base carrier. On the saloon, this must be pre-assembled. The ID.7 Tourer already has roof railings on which you can easily fit roof bars to carry the roof box. Volkswagen offers many accessories for your ID. Your Volkswagen partner will be happy to advise you on suitable products and safe installation.
Volkswagen.